Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone camera. After you open up your camera, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on video. Now, before you start making a video recording, there is an important setting you need to take into consideration to fix no audio or sound in your video recording in Android on Android phone. So what you need to do is to make sure you come to this setting icon right here. In whatever area you find the setting icon on your phone, just make sure you find yourself in a setting of the video recording section. So on getting here, you must see something like this, Smooth Recorder. Make sure this particular button here is turned off. If you turn off this button right here and start your recording, with that, you will record both the motion and the audio as far as the Android video recording is concerned. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to master Android phone video recording, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.